Yo, yo, what's up? This your boy Chef Matt and the kitchen on the ones and twos. You know, today I'm gonna make you I'm preparing dinner for my folks today. I'm gonna make some grilled salmon with roasted potatoes, corn on the cob, and some broccoli. So right here, I just grabbed some simple red potatoes you can get from any grocery store. I'm gonna peel them, throw them in some water. See, I got a little bit started, but I'll be right back with the broccoli. But matter of fact, no. Fuck all that being back shit. We going live. I'm gonna show y'all how I do. Boom. Boom. One thing about me, I'm kind of a clean person, sanitary. I like to wear gloves. Man. I'm touching other people's food, even mine. I don't know, it just became a habit. I'm just gonna peel potatoes like so. Not all the way, because I still want some of that red on the potatoes. So as I peel these potatoes, pretty sure you got something better else to do. I'll be right back. Alright, so after I partially peeled my potatoes, you know, I still want the red on it because I want color and shit, you know, in my food. I like all that. I like live color, the greens, the blues, the yellows, the reds, the oranges, all in my food. I like that food, that color to stand up. So that's why I left the skin on the potato, just for, you know, I got all that bullshit off, but y'all get what I'm getting at. So nice little cubes. I'm just gonna roast these. Not too big. Throw them in some water. And leave them out too long, they start turning colors. Anybody who know about potatoes, once you peel them, you gotta get them in cold water. So like I said, I'm cutting them in cubes, like little chunk cubes like this. Nothing too big, nothing too small. I did about 20 potatoes here. You know, red potatoes are real small, so like so. I got my food truck, Wild Things, opening soon. Stay tuned. It's called Wild Things because I'm going to be doing some wild things on the truck. Got some, I'm going to liven up your taste buds and your palates in your mouth. I'm going to liven them up. Sometimes them things got to be woke. Like me. I never eat to use sushi. I used to have sushi. Ew, sushi. But now, sushi is I like sushi. I just can't eat it raw. Yeah. So you know. Everything I'm cooking today is gonna be cooked on the grill. No more fried food for me, no more pork, no more soda. Once you quit soda, you lose at least 10 pounds that first 2 weeks. Just off of soda. I'm trying to eat healthy, doing good. That's it. I cut up my potatoes and I'm about to go get my broccoli. I'll be right back. Chef Matt back again. Okay, now I cut up my potatoes. I got them sitting in cold water. I put them in the fridge for now. Next, I got a head of cauliflower. Got me some broccoli. And I went ahead and got some snap peas. Got my veggies. I was gonna do like a little bit a medley. Or I might not even mess or fuck with the peas. I might put the peas as the garnish on top of the salmon or on the bed. We'll see how it play out. But I'm just trimming off some cauliflower so I can boil it to soften it up a little bit because I want it as soft as broccoli.
I wonder what the fuck that was for a minute.
Here. Not too much because a lot of people don't like cauliflower. So I'm gonna retwist that. Put it back in the refrigerator. Okay. Okay, I got boiling water back there. I just threw my cauliflower in there. Okay. And like I said, I'm gonna use these snow peas as a garnish tonight. Matter of fact, I think that's what I am gonna do. You know, my mind comes out with crazy things. I'm a cook, that's what I do, but I'll be right back, all right? Give me 1 second.
Y'all already know I'm over here interrupting the Chef Boyardee time, but it's all good because if I whip it up, it'll come out better.
Yeah,
Y'all already know that's why I pay the chef to be in the house all day long. He don't even gotta go to work. He got it good. He work because he want to work. Extra money. Gang, gang. Like a nigga like that. Gang, gang. I'm gonna have to stop working out because I'm starting to flex. And everywhere I go, I want to flex. You know, everybody, I'm gonna get off his cooking station because they're gonna want to know who I am and not
cooking stuff. I'm trying to look like Chef Robert Irvine. You know
He's
what
trying
that
to get
is?
like this. That's it.
Chef Robert
When he get like this,
Irvine,
he'll be working with that. But he
Chef,
get
I
there.
fuck with you. Oh. Yeah, so gotta conclude part 1 of the hood kitchen, cooking in the motherfucking kitchen with the hood niggas from Sulphur Springs. Yeah. Part 2 be back. I'm gonna throw down on the grill. That's when you see the good shit. Alright? Peace.